Okay, blessed afternoon po sa lahat. I just want to make a quick video regarding these old stuffs and just want to share it with you. Ayan. Para makita niyo yung mga old, no? Ayan. Meron pa tayong tinatawag ng mga keypads in order for us to text or to call. Definitely, we cannot make Facebook or YouTube here, right? Because these are from the year 2000s. During that time, there was still no social media like the ones we're enjoying now. So, yeah, life was very different back then. As you can see, this is an AT&T. Ito naman, Nokia po yan. Nokia. Look at the keypad. T-Mobile nakalagay. Yeah. And another AT&T. Ito pong isa flashlight po yan. Just included here because you know what? Anything na luma, tamang-tama sa mga plakang gasgas pero minamahal. So, you know, may kumbaga relate naman. Kumbaga, let's see. At the back of which, yan, wag na pong ibaliktad yung isa. Yan, na flip-flip. Forma yan. There. Yung likod nila, oh, Nokia. Year 2001, 2002. Somewhere there, somewhere noong mga panahon na yun. Siya, and you know, panahong lumipas pero magandang balik-balikan. Especially this one. Talagang binagsak, ano? Okay.